Well, I was diagnosed probably 12 years ago with psoriatic arthritis. It just kept getting like worse. First the feet, basically every joint in my body, shoulders, neck, I mean, you name it. I was just almost, I felt like I was going to be a cripple, it was that bad. I went to a couple of doctors and they had put me on medication. It was called methotrexate. It kills your immune system. And on that for like 9 years, and just noticed I was just getting weaker, sicker. I mean, to the point where, not just in my joints hurt, like my internal body hurt, like it was like a 12 on a 1 to 10 scale. I mean, I just didn't know what I was going to do. We had went on a trip, ended up having to come home early. On the way in, Sean just took me straight to emergency. Thought I was going to die, I just thought I had some kind of horrible disease or something. And I decided at that time, instead of going to another medicine, I'd just forget the medicine. I'd just rather be stiff and in pain. And I did it for a while, but it just got to, like I said, to a point where couldn't get off the couch. I mean, to get off the couch was just like agonizing. And so Sean had heard about, stem cell therapy and got really into it. Actually came in, got a infusion. I think I expected it real fast, but it's so weird. It came like a couple weeks, and it wasn't like, it was like internal things. Like I noticed like I would sneeze and it wouldn't hurt, or I just bounce up off the couch, not having to, like it was subtle. Ran up the stairs, and I ran up the stairs, and went over to the bike and was riding the bike and stopped and went, I just ran upstairs. 4 months ago, I was on the couch. And here I am, I'm at the gym 5 days a week, if not 6, and I'm running upstairs. Dr. Lai, he's few words, but he's into it. I mean, very professional. Staff was very professional. They came in, made me feel comfortable. I was gave me my infusion, and I was in and out in, less than an hour. I do things and feel like I haven't felt in 20, 30 years. It changed my life completely.